Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's a joy to come to you once again. And as you know, we are talking on a very important subject. But let me welcome those who are here, especially for the first time. And it will be good for you to know that this program is built one on the other. And currently, we are having a series, and we are continuing today. I would be very appreciative if you can take the next minute to invite a friend to join you, watch this program, and also share the link with others so that they can also benefit from what we are getting here. And definitely, it is great if you push the like button and also subscribe to this channel. I'm so thankful that we are talking about what matters in life, and we are looking at the whole issue of aligning ourselves for success. We have spoken extensively defining what success is and what it is not, and how we should, not be just success driven, but we should find the purpose for things. And it is very, very important because you can be successful in anything that you plan to do. But if that thing you plan to do is not beneficial or not credit worthy, then you succeeded, but then you will never get reward, or you will not get like the praise that has to come, with it. Today, as we continue, I want to say that successful people are always in business. What I mean by in business is that they are about what they are looking forward to achieve. Successful people do not sit down. That is why we say we need to kill or alienate laziness from our lives. We must be hardworking and work efficiently. Most people think hard work is the number of hours you are engaged. No, it is the effectiveness of the time that you have within which you are engaged in doing what you are doing. So I would like to encourage each and every one of us to begin to, analyze or take inventory of how you're spending your time and where you're pushing your energies, because successful people are business minded. They think about how to add value to stuff. And, when you are thinking successfully, you'll be thinking business. You'll be thinking deals. You'll be thinking connections. You'll be thinking about how to put one and one together to, make something beautiful come out of it. You see, in this life, many people look for money, but money is not success. You see, there are many people who have money, but they are broke. There are many people who have money, but they've not achieved anything. Why? Because they didn't think beyond money. It is very important for you to move into what really makes whatever you receive, authentic, which is what you need to produce. You need to understand how to bring results. And that is what you can get from life, and it will be, great for you. Riches may serve your purposes, but if you just stay within the riches, the confine of your riches, you just be, fulfilling a purpose. But our life should not be only about us. We should be okay and should be good enough to allow others also step or stand on our shoulders to get to their next level. So success, as good as it is, should not be just the end. Once you succeed in what you want to do, what is the knockdown effect? A scientist hides himself in the lab. He does all kinds of researches, and he comes out with an invention. That invention is not the end. The invention becomes the means to maybe solving a cardinal issue. It becomes, the beginning of a new trend. So don't stay at your level of success. Once you succeed, ask what name? What is this success going to, minister to? What is this success going to, do in order to make life well and, good for other people? So if you are just success driven, you can achieve and then say, that's it, I'm done, finished, and what next? Die? No. Anytime you succeed, it means you have achieved an aim, and something has been produced out of it. And if you produce something that is not usable, then you have wasted time. So it is very important that you make sure that whatever the outcome of what you are doing is, benefits people, benefits you, and will be appreciated by all. I know a friend who wants to run, the marathon as a means of fundraising. So he said, I'm going to do a 10K, marathon, and I would love to raise X amount to help, meet needs of people. So the goal for him to succeed is what? To run the marathon. And as he runs the marathon, then, people contribute, and he set a goal. Now, if the goal is, let's say, $100, and after the marathon, you get $100 and you just sit there, you have succeeded in running the marathon. You have succeeded in getting, the money. But then you said you're doing it so that you can help a needy community, or, a needy person, or for a purpose. So when you succeed, it does not mean the world has come to an end. That is what many people suffer from, because they don't think beyond success. Think in a worthy manner. Think to be worthy, not just successful, because success is the birthing of new things, and never be satisfied with the status quo. This is absolutely important. Until you breathe your last, never think you have reached the pinnacle yet. Don't be satisfied with your present achievement. That is a sign that there is more to be done. So once you succeed, then you look for what next. And the human brain, the opportunities of life can be stretched to infinitive. Only that many people do not use the opportunities that they have around them. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this is today's family program. And I really would want to encourage you to always hold on to good virtues in life. And as we talk about aligning ourselves for success, I have said in the beginning that to align means to bring into shape or into order. So please check your life again. Check the things you are doing again. And if nothing or things are not aligning to what your set goals are, then do everything possible to bring it into perspective. And remember, success is not the end, but it is rather the stepping stone to your next level. And whatever you succeed in should be beneficial, yes, to you, to people around you, and the knockdown effect to the world. Be global-minded and be success-minded, and align yourself for success. Till we see you again in exactly a week, remember, success is your portion. Have a wonderful day. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and see you again next week. Bye-bye.